Good morning, students. As you know, our syllabus is about to finish. We have done 3 theorems, one theorem left only, that is ratio theorem. Today we will do ratio theorem as well as 1 or 2 sums of exercise 6.2. Then after we will just start our revision from the very much first unit, that is unit first. Okay, if anything is to be left by you or which unit you want to be just make more clear, first of all you can just tell to me so that I will explain the same. Okay, otherwise we will start revision from first unit. Side by side I will provide you sample paper also in the PDF form. You have to just do that sample paper in your fair notebook, and you have to complete your fair notebook which syllabus already done in the school as well as we have done nowadays. Now you have to complete all the things in your fair notebook also. If anything you want to ask, you can just ask me again on my personal number. Thank you. Now let's start ratio theorem. Yes, ratio theorem. It is given the statement in book also. You have to learn this statement also, because sometime he can say ask that state and prove ratio theorem. Then you have to learn this statement also. Let's first speak the statement, then after we will start the solution also. What the statement said: the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. It's the statement. So what the statement says? Yes, statement of ratio theorem. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles, means two triangles are given to you similar, that is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Their area is equal to the square of their corresponding side. Corresponding side means if I am going to take triangle ABC, AB corresponding to PQ, BC corresponding to QR, and AC corresponding to PR. Okay, now let's start given. What is to be given? In given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are given to us similar. Okay, when two triangles are given to us similar, then we know very well in triangle similarity their corresponding parts are equal and sides are in same ratio. So can I say angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, as well as the ratio of AB to PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, means the side of these three sides ratio they are equal. It's given. Clear? Now to prove, what we have to prove? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square, means corresponding side square. Okay, corresponding side AB PQ its square, BC QR its square, AC PR its square. Okay, if we will show any this area of these two triangles is equal to AB square upon PQ square, then automatically as these three ratios are equal, their squares are also equal. So only we have to show only one side square. By using given we can say that these ratios are equal, so their squares are also equal. Okay, now for this let's do construction. What we have done in construction: draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. This AM perpendicular means 90 degree, and PN perpendicular to QR. Okay, we have drawn perpendicular to both the triangles. Clear? Now you know very well area of triangle. We are just going to start its solution, or we can say it's proof. What we can say, it's proof. In proof we are going to start with, we know that